So this is a box squat. We use a box squat to teach someone the squatting pattern. We don't necessarily use it as a main lift. What you're going to notice here is that we're just tapping the box as we sit down, and then we're going to come back up. Now you need to find a box that allows you to squat to a depth that, number one, you're comfortable with, but then number two, that challenges you where it feels like you almost want to sit all the way down, but you have to struggle a little bit to push yourself right back up out of the bottom without having to sit down. But again, number one is no pain with the movement. A couple things you're going to want to think about with this is your pressure through the floor is right through the middle of the foot, right down through where your shoelaces are. You're going to stick your butt back as you allow your knees to naturally move forward. Kneecaps should track right over top of the second toe. You don't jam the knees out, you just track the knees forward right over top your shoelaces as you sit your butt down and back. You should notice that from a side view, you can see the ear is right in line with the midfoot. If you're too far back, you're going to feel like you're going to fall backwards. If you're too far forward, you'll notice all the pressure on the ball of your foot, and you'll notice the heel coming up off the ground. So ear is right in line with the midfoot, and you should sit your hips right down between both legs. As soon as you get used to the pattern, add load and weight as you feel comfortable with the exercise, and then eventually take away the box to perform a full squat without the box as a target. Then once you can perform a full goblet squat with a weighted dumbbell of around 20 to 40 pounds, then you can start thinking about going back to our squat progressions.